how to add taxes in Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, which will take me to my Squarespace website. So here from the left hand side, we want to click on settings and then go to the third option, which is selling. Now from this section here, we want to scroll down until we see taxes, set up tax rates for your store. So just select this option here and you will see manage how and where your business collect tax, and we can add a rate right here. So if I click on add rate, we will choose the country which we want to add the rate for, and I will just search for the United States of America. So just give me some time here to find it, United States, and we can select states. So I'll do Alaska as an example here, and I'll choose next. So the state rate is where we input here. So we will do 15%, just delete the 0. Charge taxes on services and digital products. We can check this, and we can also charge taxes on shipping if we check this button. And now we can click on save. And I have successfully added this as a tax state. Now we can also include it in the price. So sales tax can be included in the product price and won't be added at checkout. If I click on this option, then this will include taxes within our products. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.